Hey, what's up? This is Ian, and we're in Fukuoka, Japan right now, and standing outside of my house, my balcony, I guess. This is what I look at every day. It's like the city hall over there, and Fujisaki station's right over there. A lot of Rias, like some sort of fast food restaurant. And yep, nothing super exciting. And then this is like a, you know what? I never try to open it up. Hashido. I guess this is like a escape. If there's a fire. It's a little weird. It's not lovely. It's good. Yeah. So check it out. This is it gets a lot of lights. I play. I pay 30,000 yen a month for this. 30,000 yen. That doesn't include utilities. I'm not sure. I'd say probably total utilities is less than 10. I haven't got all the bills yet. Received all the bills yet. So, there's a spider. I've seen a lot of those kinds of spiders. Yeah, I know, it's pretty basic. Gets a lot of light. Early morning light, like 6 a.m. This is like blaring with light. It's kind of got this cool little area over here I like. Window here opens up pretty nice, and it's kind of on an angle. And it's got this nice little workspace, so I like I work here on my website and whatnot. Do some writing and online stuff. Pretty cool. And then I got this really cool. I was like the perfect height. I was like I really wanted to get the like a stool or something for this space because this is a little high, not like a regular table. So I was kind of like looking around and stuff, and I went to all these furniture stores, and I looked online for stools and stuff, and they're expensive. And I saw one just like this in the store, but it was like maybe $50 or something. And then I found this. I saw this another furniture store, and then out back there was like a bunch of junk, and I went all this old furniture and stuff, and this was back there, and it was kind of covered in rust and stuff, and yeah, I took some of the rust off, but it works great. It's perfect. It's perfect for this space. I was really excited about getting that. Little cupboard I can open and close here. This was unfurnished, so there was no curtains. I bought this curtain actually. No curtains, no furniture. The only thing that came with it, or those things came with it, the microwave and the refrigerator. But I think those are left over from the tenant who was here before me. So it's pretty minimalistic living. This is my yoga mat, and this is where I sleep too. I just kind of pick out some blankets there. I think it's a pretty good deal. I was looking at a few other places, like closer to before this. I was living in a share house, and I lived in like how many share houses I lived in? I lived in like two. That sucks. You live with other people and it's random. It's kind of like a hostel, kind of like a regular flat, somewhere in between. Um, yeah, and I was paying more money for that. The last one I was paying 50,000 a month, and this one I paid 30,000. And with all utilities, I'm not sure how much yet. Guessing less than 10. But this is a refrigerator, pretty basic stuff. So this is a little like kitchen space I have. Let's see, it's pretty small. There's one burner. This is it was a little weird. Like I went out and I bought a bunch of pots at first, and some of them don't work. Like you need a special. It's like an electric stove. You need it needs to have a special, I don't know, surface. There's a special kind of pan that goes with this kind of burner. Can't use like a regular pan. So this is my little space. Yeah, this is the bathroom. This is like 1984, so it's a little old, I guess, when it was built. This is another. You've probably seen like the high-tech Japanese toilets. This is like a low-tech version, but it's still kind of cool. Like, so when you flush the toilet, like, you can wash your hands there. If you I don't. I think maybe if they had like a little like soap dish here or something, it might work better. But yeah, this is kind of the bathroom and whatnot. So yeah, that's pretty much it, man. It's pretty simple. This is like a hot water heater in here. This is my judo gi. That's how I'm here in Japan. Is actually I got a cultural visa to practice judo, and that's my jujitsu belt. I dry my sweaty gis off in here actually before I wash them. By the theater. So that's it. I'll take you outside and I'll show you around the neighborhood. It's a pretty nice neighborhood. I'm pretty happy with where I live. So this is where I live, in the third floor right there, that on the corner. That's where I live. So we're gonna go for a little spin here, and I'm gonna show you around the block. Hopefully I won't wipe out. I'm gonna try to hold this camera. Smells like ocean. This is nice. All kinds of wild birds here. See the bird? Yeah, it smells good. One thing I like about Fukuoka is lots of wildlife. It's pretty cool. My bike is, I think that's a jail, actually. I think on Google Maps I saw it, and I think it was something about a jail. Yeah, the really weird thing here is the water. Right now the water's really low. I don't get it. I don't know much about the tides and how that works. But different times of the day or the same time of the day, it doesn't seem to be like, I have no idea how it works. Like, it seems like sometimes I come out here around the same time and the water might be high. So I don't get how that works. But it's pretty cool. There's lots of birds. See lots of fish too. Little houses. Water. My bike needs a tune-up. It's making some creaky noises. Here's another bird. Doo 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 doo. It's pretty cool. Hey man, there's all kinds of birds out there. Guessing it's like about 10-minute bike ride from the beach. We're gonna take a little detour here so we can get a view. It's a nice day. It's like sunny. It's kind of been raining a lot this month. It's been raining a lot. That will crash. So here we can get a little view. Yeah, the other day I went way out, kind of by that kind of rounded peak on my bike. Did a little hiking near there. Pretty cool. Birds. Let's go to the beach. It's It's a cool bridge, huh? I like it. It's kind of rounded, kind of. It's kind of curved. It's cool, like a snake. There's a lot of beaches around here. I made another video. I've got this other YouTube channel. It's kind of a little bit more. I put a lot of the judo and jiu-jitsu videos over there. Other random stuff. Some artsy stuff. Park. Yeah. It's windy. The water's pretty shallow, I suspect. Sometimes you can see bushes and stuff. Sea is looking a little dirty today. Made it. So this is like one beach, but this beach you can't swim at. There's another one like over there, kind of on the other side of that building that you see over there. And then that's Fukuoka Tower. You can go up there for free on your birthday. That's what I did. Get a pretty good view. Some birds. And then that dome over there is like Fukuoka or something like that dome. So that's like looking kind of northeastish. That way there's another beach over there. Quite a few beaches. I went like way over there. I think on my other channel, YouTube channel, I put a video up way over there. But yeah, so this is Fukuoka. Pretty nice. It's kind of windy day and the water's a little choppy. So anyways, I was just showing you around. This is my neighborhood and my house, and I hope you have a good one. Yes, so